Dzień dobry!
Dzień dobry! Another business trip. I'm going to Paris. Then tomorrow I'm flying to Stuttgart. And on Monday I'm going back to Poznan. So, brand new project. Going by car to Paris, by the way. This is that's how does it work, right? Yeah, just waiting. Oh, that's the guy.
Right, so this car gonna pick us Damian and then he will drive to Paris. Bye kochanie. So he's driving to Paris. Long trip, about 18 hours. Yesterday I didn't make any video because we were busy preparing everything for Damian to go to Paris and also Germany. So he will be there around 5 days. And yeah, that's why we are super duper busy currently, and I am staying in Poland because I also got something to do here in Poznan. So yeah, maybe next time I will join Damian to go to travel around Europe again. Now I will take you to one place next to Warta River, but we are waiting for the tram number 8. And look at this beautiful building. And look at this building from 1908 and surround. It's beautiful church behind, and now we are going to the park next to it. So let's see our life update so far. What I can say that I'm so happy that Damian actually got a brand new job as a project director from the one Polish company here in Poznan. That last time that we collaborate to transport the staff, and then in the exhibition in the World Trade Center in Germany, and after that the company that we collaborate asked Damian to be the project director. And Damian asked me about that, how do I think? I said yes, take it. We move out actually from Bali, and we live in Poland to have a better life. So what I see is that if you have some eggs, you better put it in some different basket. So I mean, like, you make something, you make business in many kind of business, not only rely on one business. So take it. Yeah, I just said like that to Damian, and Damian just like, yeah, but I will be traveling a lot across the Europe because of business, and in the MICE, which is meeting, exhibition, expo, and everything will be like lots of traveling. And I'm so glad and I'm so proud of him that he takes this responsibility, and he still also have his transport company. So for me, it's just like I remember that one of our friends, professor in business in Malaysia, who inspire us, who motivates us. Hi, Prof. Raffi. I hope you're still watching us. We are so thankful to you for your motivation. And during your stay in Bali, we always talk about life, and I'm glad nowadays, like the decision to move out from Bali and live in Poland, it's really a great decision that we make so far for our better life. So that is the children playground. Basically, I'll zoom you a little bit. It's very nice, and many family is there. And next to me is a beautiful park with a what is it called, fountain. And behind me is just like, I think that's a beautiful kind of a brewer or brewery long time ago, because I can see from the architecture, like this tower, it looks like a brewery, brewer. And in front of me is a beautiful fountain. So here is the park, very nice park actually, next to the Warta River, and look at the flower blooming, so nice, and people cycling. And yes, next to me is the container art, like the restaurant with the containers, and you know, like umbrellas, something like that. It's really like the Bali beach club vibe with the music. We will go there later to buy something. Yeah, but look at this, many people are cycling. This is the currently the situation, basically during the weekend. So let's see how it looks there later inside. Nice. So that over there, actually that's the Cathedral Church, and this in front of me is a beautiful Warta River. You see that in front of me, like many people are coming already for barbecue party. And here and in front of me is gonna be a brand new bridge. They just I think they put the capsule last time, so it's gonna be a brand new building, bridge connecting the Warta River. And in front of me it's the container art. Let's go there later. I'll show you actually the legend or the map, and we are here, and this one is the Warta River, and this one is the cathedral, you see, and this one is the Starry Rinek. So actually later on we can walk to the Starry Rinek. And here in front of me is the Warta River. So this is actually the vibe on the weekend. People cycling, you know, going to the park. And yeah, so I'll show you around how is the place look like. Basically there are so many container here, and there in the middle is the place to sit, eat, enjoy and chill. This one is the beer menu actually here, and it's the ice cream shop basically. And this is how is the vibe, really like the club by the river with the music. I feel like I want to buy ice cream, so I bought one ice cream. I feel like I want to eat ice cream. And this one is the vibe. This one is actually the beer garden, something like that. It seems like not really busy, but yeah, this is how is the weekend look. Nice. From that one portion, it's worth it. I think that it's raining nowadays, that's why not so many people are going out, especially, you know, on the weekend must be packed of people, but seems like not many people are going out because of raining. So yeah, this place is actually what I can say that children can play, you can bring your family, you can bring your dogs, and many restaurant in the container. But what I can see is that the price is, yes, more pricier than the restaurant price, just because of it's look like you know, kind of a river club or club next to the river, something like that. So no beach club, no problem, you still can enjoy the music. You see more and more people are coming at this beautiful apartment and restaurant. I was thinking to go somewhere here, but unfortunately this one closed. So yeah, let's go. There is the Warta River, and then if we go straight over there, it's going to be the Starry Rinek. So many people are actually going to Rinek. That's why, you know, sitting in restaurant, because today is weekend, you know, drinking in the pub, something like that. Let's go there in the front, because today is a weekend. So let's see how it is in the Starry Rinek. Yeah. So the people are here actually, many people are here. As you see that many restaurant, even all the sitting almost full house, just like this. Oh. So let's go there actually. Why people are queuing over there? Let's see. Look at this beautiful statue. Oh wow. Look at this beautiful statue and that colorful ribbon there. Let's see. What are people queuing here? Just for the ice cream? Wow, look at this queue. And look at the restaurant on the left, full house. Yeah, look at this. Wow. On the left, all the seating are already occupied. People making picture here. So, and in front of me, people are queuing here just for buying ice cream. I don't know what's the hype of the ice cream in front, but I already got my ice cream basically. This is how it looks, the Starry Reenact, especially on the weekend. Yes, this place always busy on the weekend, but on the weekdays, it's not really. So right now I am in the 20 Marcin Street basically, and I see that so many people are here. Yeah, I'll show you what actually happening here, why it's so busy and so many ribbon. Well, maybe that's the market, I'm not sure, but seems like something is happening here. Yes, right. Yeah, I think like a kind of a market. So basically, wow, so many nice things in Poznan during the weekend. It's busy like this. Right, and the road is closed here, and yeah, so many market. So we are in the 20 Marcin Street.
Jak to można przenieść to piękne doświadczenie na działania w Stowarzyszeniu Kobiety i Inwalidów?
So many market. Nice, busy. Let's go. Right. So many nice things, basically place to take picture, and in the middle here they stop it for the restaurant. And oh, look at this statue, it's so cute. I think that's gonna be a concert later at night. And here, oh, look at this restaurant, busy, and look at the waiting list.
I długo mógłbym o tym
Nice.
mówić, a pan Roman Myśliwiec mógłby o tym mówić jeszcze dłużej. Pana Romana, jak
Yeah, I
zajrzycie
think
na
that there is
stronę
in front of
pana
us
Romana
kind of a
Myśliwca,
dialogue,
opisane
something
są
like
dwie
that.
pasje, i wino,
And
i fotografia. Bardzo
yeah.
obszernie od wielu lat poprzez zakładanie
Wow.
poprzez mnóstwo wydawnictw.
oh, now I understand. This is the celebration of 70 years, the road of 20 Marcin. Nice. There are so many events currently in Poznan, Poland. Like surround me is so packed of people. Right, so I think that's all my video today, guys. It's time to go home. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.